Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to send audio files on Instagram. First, what you need to do is upload your audio file on Google Drive. To do that, open your files and click on three dots over here, and click on these three dots over here and click on three dots over here of the music that you want to send. Click on share and go to Drive. After that, you want to upload it to Drive, and if you have it uploaded on the Drive, go to Drive and click on three dots over here and copy link. After that, you want to go to your Instagram and you want to go to the person's chat that you want to send your audio file to. Click on message and paste the URL over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below.